Baby, I did it.
Baby,
Did what?
Hello guys, so this very funny video is another example of judging a book by its cover. Brain Jotter nearly fell a victim in this particular one. So let's just watch.
Wait. He's coming. Baby, I did it.
Baby,
Did what?
Okay, the man should be happy, I think.
Get out.
Who are you?
Get out.
To surprise you.
You don't need to surprise
Brain
me.
Jotter is shocked.
I love your body the way you are. Why will you do BBO without my consent? No,
It's
you
right,
keep it
though.
there. Keep it there, right? Leave. I never want
It's
to
right,
see you
you shouldn't
again.
do that without your husband's
Get
consent.
out from here. You leave.
A very wicked man. A wicked man.
And who are you?
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean who I am? Why am I just wicked like this? Why are you wicked?
Really?
How can a woman go under the knife just to please you, and this is how you can treat her?
Body go tell you.
Look at him. If you don't want this mashed, you do. If he doesn't want this mashed, there are men out there that do. Mr. Macaroni, Tunde Headnut, Nas Boy, name them, Suso Bereko. All these men need this.
See, the cameraman don't turn to
If you
motivational
don't want
speaker.
it, we do.
I wanted to surprise him. I wanted to show him that I know other females are always believe their man because of frontal.
Yes, women build their men for frontal.
I wanted us to cut costs.
You wanted to look at a woman you sent away. A woman that wants to cut costs for you, and this is how you treat her.
On your bed, yeah.
Another thing is,
I beg, why not people?
men like women that cut costs.
No cut costs from you. Won't cut anything, cut light. You be cutist. I beg you.
I can't waka for road. Shame that they catch me.